Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling precise ingredients and tools so the recipe runs smoothly. Use 8 ounces cream cheese, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 egg for the cheesecake layer. For the brownie batter, use 1/2 cup butter, 4 ounces bittersweet chocolate, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup flour, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8-inch square pan with parchment, leaving an overhang to lift the finished bars out cleanly. Melt 1/2 cup butter with 4 ounces chocolate and cool slightly before adding eggs. Whisk 2 eggs into the cooled chocolate, then fold in 1/2 cup flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt to form a glossy batter. Avoid overmixing so the brownies stay tender. Blend 8 ounces cream cheese with 1/2 cup sugar and 1 egg until smooth for the topping, scraping the bowl so no lumps remain. Spoon half the brownie batter into the pan. Dollop the cheesecake mixture, then add remaining batter and swirl gently with a spatula. Bake at 350 degrees F for 30-35 minutes until edges are set but center still slightly jiggles. An inserted toothpick will show moist crumbs, not wet batter. Cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours before slicing to let the cheesecake layer firm and flavors meld. Use a hot dip knife for clean slices, wiping between cuts. Store leftover brownies refrigerated for up to 4 days in an airtight container, or freeze portions up to 1 month. Thaw in the fridge before serving for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.